Hello everybody, Zachary Fruling aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am back with another TI Extended Basic type-in program for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer, my favorite retro computer. I'm going to type in this program that seems to be called Ocean Pacific by an author named Danny Cox. Apparently this was originally in the October 1985 issue of the Mid-South 99ers newsletter, but the version I have in front of me here was reprinted in the Cedar Valley 99er user group newsletter. This is from January of 1986. And a fairly short program, only have lines 100 to 230 in Extended Basic, but in Extended Basic, of course, you get multiple statements per line. You can see some examples of that right here, and so on and so forth. I'm going to get into TI Extended Basic and the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A on a modern PC. I'm going to type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Alright, let's get into TI Extended Basic. This is the TI-99 4A start screen in Classic 99. Press any key to begin. Press 2 for TI Extended Basic. And let's get typing. Doesn't look like we have any remark statements here, so let's just start typing exactly as written. 100 call clear. Oops. And if we have encounter any problems when we try to run it, we'll try to fix the problems. Call screen 16. That's white if memory serves. Colon, space, and I'm doing the spacing exactly as written just for posterity. Call magnify 2. 110. For I equals 0 to 14. Call color. We have I, comma 13. That's either an I or a 1. I think it's 1 because that'll be the I here. The first digit inside these number inside these parentheses will be the character group. Foreground, background. I think it intends to have the background as transparent, which is 1. So it looks like a 1 to me, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll see if we get. If it looks weird when we run it, we'll try to fix it. So I, comma 13, comma 1. Okay, and the next I. 120. Call CHAR. Start out with character number 96. Comma, quote, okay, FF9999, FFFF, 9999, FF. Right, that looks good. Quote, and then comma, 97, comma, quote, FFA5, actually it looks like that's repeated twice, FFA5, 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 A5FF, A5FF, okay, A5FF, A5FF, end quote. And that's the end of number 120, I believe. Yes. 130. For I equals 11 to 13. Space, colon, space. Call VCHAR. 12, comma I, comma 96, comma 13. So 12, I, 96, 13. Next I. 140. For I equals 14 to 19. Space, colon, space. Call VCHAR. Sorry for that squeaking in the background. It's the clothes dryer. Let's see, I'm on line 140, 16I, 97, and 9. 16I, 97, and 9. Next I. Oops. Actually, yeah, that looks right. Okay. Space, colon, space. Call VCHAR. Oh, holy typos. There we go. 16, 10, 97, and 9. 16, 10, 97, and 9. Okay, that's the end of 140. 150. For I equals 24 to 30. Space, colon, space. Call VCHAR. I 97 and 5. 20I 97 and 5. Next I. 160. For I equals 25 to 26. Call VCHAR. 10I 96 and 15. 10I 96 and 15. Next I. 170. For I equals 3 to 7. Space, colon, space. Call VCHAR. 12I 96 and 13. Next I. 180. Call VCHAR. 8, 97, and 17. I forgot the last number there, 97 and 17. They all kind of blur together. I am very sorry about that squeaking in the background. Colon, space. Call VCHAR. 8, 6, 97, and looks like 4 to me. 8, 6, 97, and 4. Colon, space, call VCHAR. 5, 7, 97, and 7. 5, 7, 97, and 7. 190 for I equals 16 to 18. Space, colon, space. Call VCHAR. Okay, is that an 8 or a 0? That looks like an 8, right? Yeah. 8I 96 and 8. 8I 96 and 8. Next I. Colon, space. For I equals 20 to 22. Space, colon, space. Call VCHAR. 9I 96 and 16. 9, I, 96, and 16. Next I. 200. Call sprite. Number 20. 79, 14, and 5. 210. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, that's right. I thought 210 was on the next line here. Okay, so yeah, that's right. Then number 21, comma, 80, 14, 10, and 225. Okay, now line 210. Display at 5, 9. And we've got some uppercase, lowercase shenanigans here. So let's do this. So lowercase o, uppercase c, lowercase e, uppercase a, lowercase n. That's right. Space. And it is lowercase p, uppercase a, so on and so forth. Okay, that looks right. 220. Oops, let's go back to uppercase here. Call screen 2, changes it to black. 230. Call color. Nine, comma, integer of R&D times 14 plus 3. R&D times 14 plus 3, comma 1. And paren. And colon, space, go to 230. Okay, let's, before we run it, let's clear the screen. Let's list out the program. We're going to look for any obvious errors, typos, syntax errors. Not much in the way of math, but, you know, math-like errors, so on and so forth. Nothing seen at a glance. That doesn't mean there aren't any errors, just means we don't see them. So let's run it and see how we do. Again, this is Ocean Pacific by Danny Cox. Run. I love it. It's interesting that it's because they're in the same character group, I guess. The letters E and C and F and so on and so forth are blinking, all the lowercase letters. That's fun. Not all the lowercase letters. Show you a couple good screenshots here. I mean, this is California right here, Ocean Pacific. City by the ocean. Like the old school OP logo too. That's fun. That is all this program does. Ocean Pacific by Danny Cox. People yelling in the other room. They're watching some sort of reality TV show out there and yelling at the reality TV show. I went to hide back here and work on old computer programs. In any case, hope everyone enjoyed this look at this old type-in program. I love these creative little graphics programs on the TI-99 4A. This one, is by Danny Cox. It's called Ocean Pacific. You can find it either in the, again, let's find here, the Mid-South 99ers newsletter, October 1985, or the version I have here is from the January 1986 newsletter from the Cedar Valley 99er user group. Lots of fun. If you happen to be watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, you can find the rest of my YouTube channel under my real name, Zachary Fruehling, or under my Twitch handle, Cozy Azeroth, for lots more TI-99 4A content, some retro programming, retro gaming, some World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. If you happen to be watching this live on Twitch, thank you for tuning in, and also check out my YouTube channel for live streams and all past live streams and all the above. And if you happen to catch me streaming live on Twitch, be sure to say hi in the chat and or participate in the chat as you see fit. But in any case, I appreciate likes and follows, and especially subscriptions, which do help me out greatly in these challenging and troubling financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll be back again soon with another TI Basic or TI Extended Basic type-in program for the TI-99 4A home computer, my favorite retro computer. Have a nice evening in the meantime, and I'll catch everyone in the next stream.